how to do the calculation for the experiment meter bridge. So this one is a very simple experiment. You just have to determine the resistance. There are many experiments in the meter bridge category. So this one is regarding you have to determine the resistance of the given coil of wire by using meter bridge. So this unknown resistor S, you have to calculate the resistance value. That is the what is the resistance of the unknown coil S. Okay, so what we are going to do is first you will write the aim, okay, and then the formula required. So from where are we getting this formula? This formula is a result of the balanced Wheatstone bridge condition. So you can see here, this is resistance number 1, resistance number 2, and when you connect the jockey to this point, this will be resistance number 3 and resistance number 4. So we have R by L is equal to S by 100 minus L. So from this, what is S equal to? 100 minus L by L into R. Okay, so using this equation, we are going to solve this particular experiment. So here S is equal to 100 minus L by L into R. You will write the unit here, ohm. Okay, and after that you will draw the circuit diagram with using the scale. Okay, after that you will write a short procedure. Once the short procedure is over, you will draw the table. Okay, so for the table you have the serial number, the resistance, here you have to write the unit ohm, the balancing length, that is in centimeter, and 100 minus L, this you will calculate using the calculator or your manual calculation, and that is whatever value you are getting here, for example 29, so this will be 100 minus 29. So in that way you have to enter the reading, and then you finally will calculate the value of S, which is 100 minus L by L multiplied by R. So here you have the formula, and the unit also must be mentioned here inside the table. Okay, so I'm going to give you a sample calculation here. So let us say the first reading is 1 ohm, okay, and the balancing length is, let us say, 17.5, and then for 2 ohm it is, let us say, 29.5, for 3 ohm it is 37, for 4 ohm it is 43. Okay, so then you will calculate the value 100 minus L, so that you will use the calculator to find the value. 100 minus 17.5, so that is going to give me 82.5, and 100 minus 29.5 is equal to 70.5, and then 100 minus 37 is equal to 63, 100 minus 43 is equal to 57. Okay, so once this is done, you will find the S value. Okay, so what is that? S is equal to 100 minus L by L into R. So what you will do is, first you will do 100 minus L by L. Okay, so that is 82.5 divided by 17.5 divided, then you will multiply this value with R resistance, so into 1. So that is going to be 4.71. Okay, and then the next one is 70.5 divided by 29.5 multiplied by, what is the resistance here? 2. So that will be 4.78. Okay, make sure to round off up to 2 decimal places. And then you have 63 divided by 37 multiplied by 3. So that is going to give me 5.11, and 57 divided by 43 is equal to, multiplied by, what is the resistance here? 4. Okay, so that will be 5.30. and now what you have to do is, you have to take the average. Okay, so how you will take the average? So 4.71 plus 4.78 plus 5.11 plus 5.30. Okay, so I am getting, here I will write the mean value is equal to, when I add these 4, I am getting 19.9, and then I have to divide by what? So I have taken 4 readings, so I will divide by 4. Okay, so after you have calculated the numerator value, then you divide by 4, because while using the calculator you tend to forget the bracket. Okay, so if you are not using the bracket, you will not get the proper reading, because what will happen is, you will take 4.71 plus, you in the calculator when you write 4.78 plus 5.11 plus 5.30 divided by 4, and then if you press equal to, what will happen is, only the last value will be divided by 4 and the remaining rest will be just added up. So what you have to do is, instead you have to use a bracket. Either you use a bracket like this and then you write divide by 4, or else you find this value, okay, which is 19.9, and then you divide by 4. So 19.9 divided by 4, then you will get the proper answer. So whichever is convenient for you, you can go with that. So that is going to be 4.975. Okay, so here also I will write the mean value 4.975 ohm. Here also I will mention ohm. So that means the resistance S value is equal to 4.975 ohm, and then in the result you will be writing resistance of the given coil of wire by using meter bridge is 4.975 ohm. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to do, or you can just round it off to 2 decimal places, because everywhere we have rounded it off to 2. So here also we can round it off to 2 decimal places, that will be 4.98 ohm. Do you understand, student? So this is how you have to do the calculation for the meter bridge, just to find the resistance of the particular unknown coil. Is it clear?